Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Christina with Christina Couture Nails. If you're new here, I know I've gotten a lot of new subscribers. Hi. In today's video, we're going to be doing just a regular nail set. Now, I'm not going to put no nails on. I'm going to do my natural nails. I'm going to do a, what is that called? I'm going to do an overlay. A lot of you guys have asked if you can do an overlay with baking soda, and I'm pretty sure you can. I don't see why not. I'm just kidding, you guys. You definitely can do an overlay with your natural nails. One thing I do say, you guys have to prep your nails really well for an overlay on your natural nails. And the only reason why I say that is because you don't actually have a nail tip grabbing the nails as well. So you want to make sure that the baking soda is going to hold on to your natural nail. No oils, no skin, no nothing. You want to make sure that it is clean, so when you put the baking soda on, you can decorate. Now, my nails are really short, as you can see. I don't know if you guys can see. My nails are really short, so unfortunately, the overlay is not going to look so nice on me. But if you have nice long nails, or like a little bit short, or if you want to grow out your nails, I'm pretty sure this hack will work great for you. It's worked for me. I've tried it. If you guys don't know, I take a day off or a couple of days off after each video, because when I go to try these hacks, I want to make sure they actually work before I bring them to you. I will tell you in the beginning of the video if it's a hack that I've never tried, but I have tried it. I'll show you guys how to do it. It's super easy. It's the same way you would do regular nails, except you wouldn't start from the free edge. You would start from the actual cuticle, because like I said, my nails are a little bit shorter. So if your nails are a little bit longer, if they're not long, then I probably start in the free edge if they were like long like this, about that far apart. But if they're like this, I still wouldn't start at the free edge, honestly. But I am going to show you guys how I do them, and let's get into this video so that it's not so long, because I don't want to keep y'all, because it's super easy for you to do. And then we're just going to paint them and probably do a cute little design to make them look cute, and we'll go from there. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next couple of videos coming up. All right, y'all, this is how my nails look right now. I'm not going to do an overlay on my natural nails because they're so short, but I am going to do a short nail. Like, I mean really short, just so y'all can see. These nail tips, I did get them from Dollar Tree as well. These are just the Kiss nail tips. So bomb. I love these Kiss nail tips, for real, you guys. They're just so good. I like these and the Sassy and Chic. I like these for a shorter nail. So since I'm going short, I'm going to be using these. Now, like I said, since you are going short, even if you are doing just an overlay, I would prep your nails really good. And what I mean by that is pushing back the cuticles, cutting the cuticles, using the nail file, things like that, to make sure your nails aren't going to lift. I'm not going to keep these on for too long, so I'm not really worried about any of that, but I'm just going to go in and make sure I prep these nails really good. Test out new hacks and doing things for y'all, but your nails should be prepped really good. It should be nice and matte. Mine aren't matte. I'm not going to prep my nails too good, like I said, but you want yours to be really matte in order to put those nail tips on. I like that melanin. She got that melanin. A lot of you guys ask how would I use a primer or what type of primer I would use. I don't use primer, but if you wanted to feel a little bit safer, you can go in with a little bit of alcohol. So all I do is just take the alcohol and kind of like go around my nail once it's prepped, kind of like a dehydrator, but I do not use primer for this actual set. Now we're just gonna go in with a baking soda. I am gonna do just one nail like I normally do and do the rest off camera, just so that way it doesn't become repetitive for you guys, because it's super easy to do. I'm just gonna show y'all that and then come back and either shape and file the nail, and then we'll go into the design. Now, being that the nails are so short, I'm gonna show you how to do it. Now this one you would actually do like a dip nail. This one is specifically made for a dip nail. You're not going to start at the free edge. You don't need to, but we are going to start in the middle. Now what I mean by the middle is you're going to build up an apex right here in the middle. So I'm just going to paint the middle part right here and dip. And I don't have any burning. If you have any burning, I would suggest stopping. If it's like a slight burn and you want to keep going, that is all up to you, but I don't recommend keep going, especially if you might catch an allergic reaction or you feel that it's burning a lot more than normal. So yeah, that is all that I do. So let's start there. Now we're going to start with filling in the rest of the nail. They are so short, so you do not need to start from the free edge, because you don't want your free edge to become thicker than the rest of the nail, being that they are really short. Now I'm just going to go in and I'm going to paint the whole nail with the glue like that and dip. And I'm going to brush it off. Now this dries really, really quick. And you just want to keep going until you get that desired thickness that you want. It all depends on you and how thick you want your nails to be. All right, you guys, I did them as thick as I wanted. Now we're gonna go into actually filing this nail. Let's get into it. To show you, because on my last video, a lot of you guys asked, but all I do is file the sides first. File each side first. As you can tell, it gets hard just like acrylic does, which is really nice. Also go around the cuticle, so you want to make sure you go around the cuticle. There's so many nail techs on here that do not use a nail drill and they only use a nail file. And honestly, you guys, I've learned so much using a nail file than a nail drill. I used to feel like I used to need a nail drill for everything, and you do not. And then I will go in with a nail buffer just to buff that nail, make it nice and smooth. And it looks nice and smooth. It does have like a little bit of like little stuff, but it still looks nice and smooth to me. So that's okay.
la 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 la. Umano, umano, mere to, umano, umano, mere to, melano, umano, mere to, umano, umano. First time I laid eyes upon you, big smile and my thighs, I caught you. Hands up high, let me put cuffs on you. You know, I swear I adore you, and I will make you my wife. Put the love on me. I like that melanin. You got that melanin. Umano, umano, merito, merito. Umano, umano, merito, merito. Umano, umano, merito, merito. Merito, yeah. Umano, umano.